Hey, Paul from Trusted House Painter here. Another question I get often asked is, can you paint stucco? Well, the house behind me was painted by the painting team, and they used a flat acrylic latex stucco paint. So yes, you can paint stucco. There's a couple considerations you should always think about. If it's really bad, crumbly, flaky, and really deteriorated, you might want to think about actually restuccoing your home. However, if it's not that bad, you can absolutely paint it. This house behind me was previously painted. So there was no priming needed. There was a few cracks, which the painters caulked, and then they used, like I said, a flat acrylic latex paint. Now, some circumstances you need an elastomeric paint. An elastomeric paint is a really thick paint, and it fills hairline cracks. And it's a much heavy-duty product. It doesn't go as far. An average gallon goes about 350, 400 square feet. Elastomeric paints only go about 100 to 200 square feet at max. So this house didn't need the elastomeric paint, it just needed the flat acrylic latex, and it looks great. Now there's a couple things you should worry about or should think about when you're wanting to paint your house, and that is how many layers of paint are already on your house. So there's a thing called permeability, and every house needs to breathe, and stucco allows the house to breathe so that there's not, you don't trap moisture and humidity in the house. When you put too many layers of paint, you minimize the permeability or breathability of the house. So this house had 2 coatings before that, and this one was the 3rd coating. Now, more coatings than that, you start to eliminate the permeability or breathability of the coating. So you should watch out for that. That's one consideration you should think about when you're painting your stucco. But the question, can you paint your stucco? Absolutely, you can paint your stucco, and most retailer paint stores sell stucco paint for that exact reason. So if you want more tips, follow me at trustedhousepainter.com on Instagram and Facebook. If you've got questions, you can contact me at 1-866-PAINT-18. Love to help you out. Talk to you soon.